Okay, let's test the sound, make sure everything sounds good. One, two, three. Okay, tea is ready. Sound is ready. Coolios. Okay, let me connect my Bluetooth headset real quick. Okay. I'm gonna take a piss before I get started, so. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go follow that something with Nana tutorial. I'm gonna follow it with her and then create the containers for okay. So yesterday, excuse me, I wasn't feeling 100% to be honest. So it was kind of an off day, especially towards the end. So what I did after the stream, with kind of like playing around in like 2-3 hours time, I ended up creating an image on the main repo, because this package here is going to be the one that we're going to be using to call this thing to deploy. Yeah, it was a test that I did, and what I'm going to do here is now I'm excuse me, like you shouldn't be able to access this if you do not have access to the repo. Yeah, it's not found, which is good. Cool. So private repo, only we can get it, which is good. Not bad. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and delete this fucker. Actually, no, let's not delete it. Let's create a folder called oh yeah, where the fuck are we? Oh shit, yeah, I gotta move that file. Hold on one sec. Coolios, it's gone. We got rid of it, so it's all set. And shit, what was I gonna do here? I was gonna do something. Yeah, create a new folder called Kubernetes. I'm gonna call it K8. That should do directory. When I say here K8, who's got time to fucking type all that shit, right? Kubernetes, and then I'm gonna say here a new file. I'm gonna call it filelib.docker file. Okay, edit, it's fine. So what I'm doing here in the dev, oh shit, I have it in here in production, Django.docker file. Brrr. Shit, this went in. God damn. Is it part of my Docker Compose? No, it's not. So why didn't the tests fucking fail? Oh, because they already existed, I think. Scheiße. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, we're gonna do this in 12 because that's the version we are running everything in. And we do not need that. So why are we copying the entry point? So the entry point here is, yeah, we are running it with Daphne. I think I was gonna try Uvicorn if I'm not mistaken. Do I have it here in the server? It just runs the manage.py. Okay. So I think Uvicorn I think you can run Uvicorn with Unicorn. Oh, there you go. Which would give you like concurrent runs, like multiple workers here. Okay, so this is kind of what I wanted to do here. But I think need to test this out first. It's been a while since I actually used Unicorn, so fuck. Yeah, do I have Unicorn even installed here? Okay, let's say. No. No. All right, let's do this. Okay, we have that. So let's actually add this to our thing, right? To requirements.txt. Okay. So this is U, W, X, Y, Z. It's going to be after here. Coolios. Hold on, twisted. Where the fuck is twisted coming from? Oh, that's like to run it with Daphne. Right. Yeah, we're gonna have to probably get rid of it. So can you comment this out? I think you can, right? Yeah, let's do it. And then Daphne. Yeah, we're gonna get to those. Let's just make sure that this runs perfectly fine with all we want before we... All right. All right, I'm gonna do here Docker. Actually, let's just IT API bash. Okay. Okay, we're gonna say pip install requirements.txt. It's missing unicorn and unicorn, so okay, cool. So now if I do this, unicorn is not what? Oh, I didn't install it. Fuck. All right, let's add this fucker to the thing. Okay. G. Right here, Coolio. So if I run this, oh, it's trying to run it on 8000, which is already running. So if I do port, this should work. No, how the fuck did you specify port? Dude, it shouldn't be like this fucking hard, like writing this fucking documentation. What is this? No module named my project. Oh, yeah, my bad. Okay. So this ASCII lifespan protocol appears unsupported. That's not good. So if I'm coming here, Filelib local, something went wrong, error code, yabba yabba. Lordy, how we doing, my dude? Oh, it's trying to get index.html, yabba yabba. What the fuck? How we doing, Justin Muffin? Bro, what the heck? I'm doing good. How are you? I wasn't doing so good yesterday, but I'm doing okay today. Okay, so this works, but I think I want not Google this. Yesterday, I just wasn't feeling good. Caught with Viper, yo! Really need your help. I've been getting a message saying that module not found, error, no module name. This utils really stopping me from working on my project for Jarvis. Did you try installing this utils? Python module not found this utils. Yeah, your pip version might be out of date. You are using Windows. Doesn't matter. It should install just the same. Yeah, your Python installation. Okay, what's your version? When you type Python dash version, sorry, 2 dashes, what do you see? And then when you type pip version the same way, what do you see? Like, give me the output from these two. And then what's your pip version? Just saw a video of Elon Musk saying, go fuck yourself to advertiser. The main is yeah, I saw that too on Reddit. That was kind of nuts. What is your pip version? Okay, then you probably have it as pip3, like this. Do the same thing, pip3 version. You gotta install pip. And then you can install also, like, yeah, Python 3 this utils. Like, you also need to install that because it's a dependency, like system level dependency. Dreadbread Crab, howdy. I'm doing okay. How about yourself, man? Windows, Python, this utils. Yeah, so it seems like either your environment variable doesn't know where this utils is, or like in your path, or your current installation of Python is not proper. Pretty good overall. Delving into OAuth and SSO again. Oh, did you get to figure out the unit test issues from, I think, was it yesterday or the other day? Oh shit, this is deprecated with removal planned for Python 3.12. Yo, wiper. I am hoping you are still here. Shit, this was staring me in the face for the past 10 minutes. Yeah, look, this utils is deprecated with removal planned for Python 3.12. If you are using 3.12, this is not gonna be in it, apparently. So if I do, like, actually Python, okay, I'm guessing it's gonna say this util doesn't exist. Oh, it does exist. What the fuck is going on here? I'm guessing your installation is not proper, dude. Otherwise, you should see it. Yeah, look, I have all these things here, but Again, I would say don't use it because it's getting deprecated. So make sure that your Windows, like Python installation on your Windows is proper. See, it says use setup tools instead. I never had to directly use this thing myself, so sh utils. I'm not sure. I use the Python website to install. Yeah, that's kind of weird that you're not. Yeah, the thing is, like, I never worked on Windows, so Windows is just. Yeah, I would just do this most likely. Just do the installer here and then run it. Oh, we got a follower? Yay, Mr. Chicken 5. Welcome. Thanks for the follow. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is a replacement. Number of high-level operations on files and collections of files. Yeah, this is about more like revolving around files. This utils is not particularly about files. I highly recommend Chocolatey Package Manager for Windows. Should I uninstall Python 2.12 and get Python 3.11? There could be a solution, although I wouldn't recommend it because when you want to future-proof your code, right? You don't want to be stuck with 3.11. Although it's going to carry you for a couple of years at least, you don't want to like be stuck with a certain version because you have a deprecated library as a dependency. I would avoid that. Yeah, you can run them side by side. I can. Yeah, Viper, I wouldn't create a foundation for my code using something that's getting deprecated. You could use 3.11 and just make it a future use problem. invent time travel and then go back in time and then like don't do it. The trick at that point is ensuring the Python and Python 3 point to the right install. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my only limitation here, I never worked on Windows using Python. It's just I haven't done any dev work on Windows at all, so. Windows has aliases of Py as well. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you can create an alias for anything pretty much. So long as like you create the entry for the path and then add the executable that it's supposed to call upon the command, it will work with anything. Because the thing is, I keep getting that error, which is why I'm unable to run Jarvis today. Gotcha. Yeah, I would make sure to like fix it with the latest version of Python so you don't deal with it later down the road again. Yeah, you can have like multiple installations of Python that are specific versions in particular. And then you need to like the same thing applies for Linux as well and macOS as well, because each version is like its own executable. Install Python from Anaconda for Windows, especially since a lot of AI libraries work smoother with Anaconda. I think I heard of that. I would honestly give it a try. I remember using it like several years back. I just don't recall exactly what it did, but I remember using it and I remember it fixing my problem. Although I don't remember what the problem was. That was that many years ago. Also, are you using also like if you're not using a virtual environment, make sure to use a virtual environment. It's time. It's time. All right, let's go. I didn't even hesitate. All right, hold on. I'm gonna take this off because it's making me sweaty. Okay. Whew. There are several good YouTube videos how to work with env in Python. Yeah, yeah. There's like an abundance of it. Like you shouldn't be dealing with like struggling with it too long. What the fuck is going on? I just ran Jarvis 1.1, so no problem. And the speech recognition works. Hell yeah! So you fixed it. I don't know what's going on either, but if you are able to move on with the problem without the problem, yeah, it's good. Burn it to a CD-ROM. Do it. Huh. I don't know. I'm not sure how I can debug it without having access to the code. All right. I'm not sure if I'm like really warm enough. Better safe than sorry. All right, let's do 215s. I can send it to you now if you can please have a look. So you can send it to me, but the thing is, we have different operating systems running. It'll probably work with no issues on my end, and I won't be able to identify the problem because you are running it on Windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, set one. I hate it when it makes me like sweat in my fucking hair and it itches. It works now. All right. Yeah, I would make sure like you have a Python virtual environment that you are using for these things so you can isolate things like to the side, like you can throw it away at the end of, when you're no longer to develop it. Or I would just use a Docker container like how I am doing so it doesn't pollute your local OS. Like I use like Python from the Docker itself, and it comes with everything packaged. Like I never had to like do any system level dependency install since I've been using Docker. Muscle man, yeah. I'm trying to get like more active when I'm working here because I sit here like 6-8 hours, sometimes like 9-10 hours. One time I did like 11 hours, like it's all inactive. It's not good. So you can use the channel points to make me do you know, lifts, whatever. I think this is enough. Let's do another 15. Yeah. We're gonna get jacked. Writing code, baby. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Motherfuckers started burning. Okay. So we have a question. It says, so what are you working on? Today I'm gonna try to put the website up for the project because we pretty much finished the project. It works. Everything is good so far. We're gonna put it up and then hopefully gonna try to get some, you know, real life tests going. The virtual environment Python interpreter caused the issue. I changed interpreter to global Python instead. What is the Python interpreter, the global Python interpreter version? Okay. What we were doing? Oh, I was examining this. I was trying to run the unicorn with, and then there was a bug here. So, okay, this is the one right here. When we use this thing, this is the error I'm getting. I want to see what the heck this is. Yeah, what is the version on the virtual, what? I changed into the global virtual environment Python interpreter. Yeah, what's the version of the global Python interpreter? The global Python. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Should not be seeing that. $312? That is lifespan on. Yeah, that's kind of the... Yeah, I think the thing belongs to the fucking unicorn. Check this out. Let's check it out. Not sure what we're checking out. I guess we're gonna get something. So unicorn is a thing. You can debug it. Okay, what if I just want to run it straight up with unicorn? Okay, we can do that too, apparently. And it is installed, so... Oh, we gotta run it with Python. Hold on. Oh. Come on. What the fuck is wrong with Discord, bro? What is that package? Is it an installable? Like, what is that? Ah, shit. How the fuck do I specify a port then? It's gonna bitch. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to do a different port. You fucking asshole. Port. That is to get access to Google links for the user requirement. Okay, so this doesn't... It still says the same shit. Django can only handle ASCII HTTP connections, not lifespan. Oh. Is it okay, what the fuck? It's because we don't have okay, it's trying to do WebSockets, and we are not running WebSockets, so we should be okay. Okay, cool. Okay. Can you do like unicorn with Daphne? You want to search how to code in Flask, it gets all of the links from Google search and runs a filter to get rid of YouTube videos and advertisement websites. Got it. What is it called? The name? SERP API. Is it a public package? I think this is the one. Okay. This is sick. Holy shiza, brother. Dang-a-lang, yo. Thank you very much. Create a filter. Gotcha. This is cool. Okay. What? You can only do like one search? What the fuck is going on? Like you have to pay or something? Like, oh yeah. I think you gotta pay to use this thing. Ah, yeah, that makes sense. Because I was trying like other things and like, nah, we're not doing it. Fuck you. God damn. Well, I mean, it's cool. It looks like it does work pretty good. What was I doing? I kind of forgot what I was doing. Oh, I was trying to get the unicorn with Daphne. You have 100 searches per month. Okay. For an MVP product, like I think that's perfectly fine, I think. How do you even run fucking Daphne? Oh, he's doing it in an upward proxy pass. But the filter took me 1.5 months to build myself. Damn. Sorry, yeah. They're like, I'm missing messages. I'm not that good at reading messages, apparently. How to request unicorn response with Daphne. What? I am so bad. Like when the messages are like after each other and they're the same color, like I always miss him. Nick complains about the same thing. He constantly has to point it out to me. Like you missed the message. Learn to read. Nah, just gonna just call me out on it, bro. It's okay. I mean, I'm human, I'll make mistakes. Oh no, there were like some other options here. You're good. You're good. We are good. We are good. Oh, the other one is hypercorn. What the fuck? HTTP 3? What the fuck? Need to tell you something? Go ahead, man. Workers. So this has multiple um fuck it, let's give it a try. I would say to use React Native for the app development, and for the backend, I'm gonna be using Python for my new project. That actually sounds like it should be pretty nice to establish, easy to establish, and would give you a great experience with the React Native. You would know how to use React Native, and mobile, application development would look really good on your resume for sure. Breadcrumb, are you still here? Did you do your curls, or are you still going? Yeah, sure thing, bro. That's good. Yeah, I tried out React Native a while back. It's pretty good. Finished set 2. Hell yeah, baby. I finished my 2 sets as well. What was I doing? I am all over the place, yo. Okay, let's do hypercorn file app dot ascii dot application. Artists already in use. Okay, let's see. I don't know if this is a possible thing. Motherfuck. One more 12 left. Okay, need your opinion on something. Go ahead. I wanted to go to curls earlier, but you weren't online yet. You were waiting for me. Show me something you can do with React and not with HTMX. I never used HTMX, so I'm not the guy to really present anything on that. I cheated last night, got munchies and a can of chili. Ate a can of chili. Is chili like that bad? P. Oh, P is for like PID. Okay, I thought that was the thing. Where the fuck is port, motherfucker? What? Bro, how do you specify a fucking port? Is it like bind? Oh, the application. Oh shit, that worked. Okay. So ASCII continue without lifespan support. Except from the 2000 milligram of sodium. Holy shit. What did you do? Like, you just poured soy sauce all over it? I have this file and I want to connect it to a variable or function to add my voice recognition so that I can check if a specific word has been spoken to run a file. I don't know. I can't decipher this. You have a file and you want to connect it to a variable or function to add my voice recognition so that I can check if a specific word has been spoken to run a file. I am not following this. What file? Is it a Python file? Some different format? Like, what's the setup there? How come I don't get this error when I run it with Daphne? This is just odd. Where's my entry point? Yeah, when I do Daphne. Ah. Yeah, this motherfucker doesn't complain about anything. So what the heck is going on here? But Daphne is made specifically for that, right? Right. Daphne workers, multiple workers. Okay, that actually makes sense. But how do you run multiple instances of the same command on different? Execute multiple instances. Instance. Mm-hmm. So this is what you do. I'm just gonna like write it like a pseudocode, so you can kind of like do the thing. So you have your own way of like when a given text, right? So this is your given text. I'm gonna call this like user input, for example. This could be like the input from the data from the input function, right? The user enters it and then like you capture it. So this is the given thing. So and then given key whatever, and then call, for example, like you are specifically looking for this thing. So when you do that, right, this is your user input as a text. So you need to find a way to capture this audio to text, and then you just check. You just say, if call in user input, and then do something here with it. You can feed it to your recognizer, but you need like a speech to text thing, and then you can check the text off that, the transcribed text from the speech, and then you pass that as a parameter into whatever your recognizer does. Sorry, whatever your command needs to do with it. So that would be like my way. So like user input from terminal, right? User input terminal. This is the one from terminal. Yeah, I cannot really type. It will be like input, right? Prompt. And then this is like already gives you a text. But if you want to get like, audio, and then some audio here, I don't know how you are capturing it, and then you need to make the audio to text. Audio text equals audio to text. And then you pass your audio or whatever it is. And then the outcome should be a text. Then you can feed it to whatever your parser, as if you are feeding it with this one, because they are both text now. That would be like my approach. So you can create like a unison. Okay, Python Daphne. Let's see. 3 8 or later. Okay, we already have that. Basically, it asks a question. For example, how can I help you today? Then it activates the voice recognition, and then I say run countdown, and then it captures that and checks if countdown has been set for that question, then runs the file. Yeah, that's what I was showing. So, like audio here, right? So you capture this. Like this is a parameter, get audio, for example. This could be like an audio file. I don't know how you are capturing it, but you need to convert it to a format that you can feed. You can check if certain thing is in that, meaning that you can convert it to a text, audio text, like you transcribe it, right? And audio to text. Like you need something like this. And then you feed your audio to it, and then you can check very easily, like if open, for example, like open something, right? If open Gmail, right, in audio text, and then you do your thing. Text to speech, text to speech. Yeah, so look, on the first picture you says like text equals text.lower from the recognizer, recognize Google Audio, right? So that text, then you just say, like you already have the text. You already have the text coming from what? Recognizer? Yada, 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 right? And then you just say, if something, whatever this something is, in text, do your thing here. Like, that's it. Yeah, that should be it. I'm not sure like if I'm missing something there. Turn the entire thing into a function, import the function. You don't just parameterize it over there. Turn it into a function or a class so you can import that functionality into wherever you are working. Yeah, just do that. Like it's just sitting there. Make it exportable properly. Yeah. Turn it. I didn't really realize what exactly I was missing there. All right, guys, I'm gonna get some tea. Give me a sec. Okay. Let's go. So I think running it with Daphne right now, it's okay. Okay. I'm gonna copy this and then what is this? Oh fuck. Where's the K8 file folder that I have? Oh, okay, over here. So we're gonna do paste entry point. That's okay. Don't add it. Okay. Add it. Cool. Yeah, we don't really need that. We just need this. Okay. Coolio. No thanks. Okie dokie. So we are okay here. Okay. Okay. No, this one is production. We are only doing that here. Cool. Okay. This should be like pretty straightforward, right? We are not really having anything else. We're gonna provide our AWS key and secret through the environment variables, so we should be good. Okay. Okay, instead of saying Filelib, this should be Django. Let's make this called API. Cool, that's good. Okay, so we're gonna do Docker build image from Docker file, containerizing Docker build, so I can push it to fucking GitHub. CD K8. Okay, so this is what we need, and I just need to do API .docker file latest. What the fuck am I doing wrong here? Exactly one argument. Okay, there you go. So it needs a context apparently. Okay, I'm gonna turn this into a make function, make command, because I think I don't want to be. Okay, we're gonna say here build API image. Add this line to your bash aliases. So you can just go like this, but it already works for me because I am in fish. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna say make shit, what did I name this thing? Build API image. Works in fish, and of course, triple does. All right, hold on. So we have a problem here. I think the path for this one, copy file app. Okay. Hold on, this is context based. So the context is from there. Then we need to copy the entry point. It's not, it's missing it, right? Yeah, it doesn't exist because we need to copy it. And then we're gonna say here, K8, entry point.sh. Let's go again. Okay, this time it didn't error out, so I think we're good. It's installing our dependencies, cool. And we're only installing the production dependencies, not the development requirement. Cool. I like it. Hmm. Five seconds ago. All right. Let me run this fucker, make sure it actually works. Daphne command not found. We don't have the fucking Daphne. Oh, because fuck me, yeah, it's missing. My bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Unrecognized arguments. What the fuck are you talking about? Am I tripping here? Right. Doing dumb shit as usual. One at a time. It's gonna happen. One at a time. Ha baby. Brothers, look at this. Cool. This is coming together. I like it. All right, let me bring this over here. Okay. Actually, no. We have deactivate. Let's make sure everything goes through without the Python environment that we are in. I'm going to say here Docker build. Okay. I can give it a name, right? I think T tag target. Label. Is that law? Sure. Metadata. Hold on. Let's. Docker build with name. So the tag is the name, that's it? No, I want the motherfucking name to be... this. I want this thing to be a... something else. I don't see it as a thing. Pull, push, comments, name, tag, name, and optionally a tag, format, name equals. Will you fucking exit? What? Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro, come on, let me go. I'm trying to live my life. God damn it. I hate CMD programs or scripts that don't show their PID. I'm pretty sure you can get it easily. I just don't fucking... I never had to deal with it. Okay, now it's gone. We have other ways of, you know, like killing that fucker. Maybe like you can do a name here. Where name? Okay. Docker. I can do here, right? Docker run name YOLO. I don't know if this is gonna work. Name executable is not found. I just fucking saw this shit. Assign a name to the container. Like, I gotta do this? Is that what you want? Huh? Okay, now the name shows up. Okay, so we're all set here. We don't really have any issues. I saw a YouTube video today about a new tool to work with Docker. I skipped this since I never used Docker, but he claimed it's much more convenient. There are too many tools out there that works with so many different things. If it was fixing a certain problem I'm having, I would consider looking into that. But I like using things that has a like big community around them, so I don't, experience issues and cannot find solutions to those issues, just to avoid that situation. Okay, so this is good. Let's clean this shit again. Docker PSA. Yeah, this is okay. Oh. Cool. So the name comes from the name, apparently. And now, since my thing just perfectly, it works perfectly fine. Let's push it. Docker images. Why do I have like multiple of this thing? What the fuck? 1.2 gig. Bro, how is it so big? Why is it so big? I don't understand. Okay, let's see what the fuck is going on here. Why is it so huge? Oh, shit. It has front end old. Yeah, I gotta get rid of that. The front end old here, it should not be here. Yeah, it shouldn't be that big. Like we should have like couple megabytes, maybe 100 megabyte, but not fucking 1 gig, That's just nuts. Was it Docker with the included Python on the Docker side, or did you build it yourself? I installed it from their website. I didn't build it myself. I tend to avoid doing builds locally because it's hard to keep them updated and it's hard to, Still 1.36 gig. This is fucking nuts. What the fuck is in it? I hate that this fucking thing doesn't just stop. The best tools and programs are the ones you don't have to make yourself, right? I mean, like, If it is my only option, yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. But you know. Hold on. This shows up at 1 gig, but when I push it, it's not the same size. Oh. What the fuck? No. I love fish. I really did until they re-implemented it in Rust. They rewrote it in Rust. I did not know that. I did not know that. Almost total rusted. God damn it, bro. Run. That was really fucking fast. What? Untagged and deleted. Docker images. Why are they still here? Okay, I need to do this thing to ignore cache. Ignore cache. Okay. Oh, it's no cache. Let me look at this Docker file. What the fuck are we copying over here? We are copying specifically the file app. Oh, PyTest cache, bruh. Actually, hold on. I need a Docker ignore. Okay. Docker build ignore directory copy. There's a Linux distro that is practically nothing but a wrapper around Docker files. Makes sense for some use cases. I never came across him. I think I thought I had a Docker ignore thingy here. I don't. What the fuck? Okay, I guess. New file. As usual, always make a typo. Docker ignore refactor. That's the name, right? Docker ignore. You know what? Fuck it.